So here's an old busted up hatch. We've had this one on the AquaSport since she was new. We're gonna send our rough measurements out to Boat Outfitters, and their shop will provide custom hatches to our specs. Can't wait.
A few moments later.
What we got today from Boat Outfitters is our hatch. We talked about doing replacement hatches, and we had Boat Outfitters custom make them for us. Look at how well this is packed. This is not going to get damaged in transport. It is custom made and packaged to survive. Let's unwrap it and get it up on the deck. I'll tell you, I think unboxing is taking us longer than it's going to take to put these things in. Out it comes. Look at that hatch. Custom made, inspected, QC approved, and ready to go. Let's give it a go. If you get some number 8 stainless steel screws perfectly in these indents, and you want them to be flush here, see? Because when you walk on those, you want those to be flush. If you get a 10, it's going to stick out a little bit. So go ahead and get some 8s, and in my case, I got 8 by 1 inch. Look at the quality of this latch. That's some good stuff right there. All right, so here we go. But another thing to note, this piece here is even more packing to protect the edges. Don't go putting your hatch in with that. This is another thing that Boat Outfitters gives us just to protect these edges. Let's put a little caulking around here, just in case if it squirts out a little bit, we're good. All right, here we go. Let's get our screws in. That's pulling it right in. You can tell it's got a good grab. And you can see that the number 8s make it nice and flush. No worries on that overspill, because now we're going to take our rag and we're going to clean all that up. So there you have it. Your Boat Outfitters custom made deck hatch. Solid, packed well, delivered perfectly, and ready to go. Thanks, Boat Outfitters, for hooking these hatches up on our project boat.